Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we complete the model structure. Let me continue the video. Now let's moving to our views part. Right, so we have discussed about how to create the views. We have a app.blade.php, which is a main template folder. Inside that folder, we have a file called app file. This is nothing but a template file. There is a libraries inside the libraries folder. There is a CSS and JavaScript. There's a pages folder. Pages folder, we have noticed that we have leave one mistake. Here we have several pages, like passenger and flight master and payment, flight transfer. There are several pages. So instead of do it, you have write it over here. Instead of do like this, you have write it here. You put it in one separate folder and maintain with all the things. Passenger. Copy these two files, hold on the shift key down, copy select those files and put into the passengers folder. Click move. Now here inside the pages folder there is a passengers folder. Now if you are run the project, you can see here you can get the error. Okay, it is not found. Page not found. So how to solve this error? How to solve this error? You can go to flight controller. Here you can see pages index. So instead of that, pages index dot index. So here write dot. You have write this index with where is a passenger. So with passenger dot, right, passenger. This is also the your pages dot page. Inside the pages we have another folder called as passenger. Pages dot passenger. You just copy this. You also edit page as well and update page as well. Pages update. Right, that's this is redirect to pages passenger. Right, now let's file save all, bring back to our application and check it. Now that error go away. Okay, so you have to understand. Okay, inside the inside the pages folder we have a folder which name is passenger. Okay, so now inside the pages folder I'm going to create another folder which is a flight master. All the flight related things we have put into this file related data. Okay, so here the now what you're going to do is the same index blade and edit blade, these two files, all down the shift key down, and this all the file I just right click and copy and select the flight master folder, right click and paste it. Right, now these two files are included in this folder which is in the index file and edit file. Now let me modify the one. Instead of passengers we have to change it as a flight master. Right, file master, what are the entities? We already we did it. Okay, flight master is a master ID is auto increment. We no need them. Once you add this is a flight. This is a departure city. This is departure city. We no need this combo box. We get rid of this line. So let's do the another one is a arrival city. This both copy this and paste below. Departure time, arrival time. So departure time. Copy this and paste it below. This one is a arrival time. That's it. That's the simple stuff you have created. Now what you're going to do is let's modify the form. The form consists of 4 fields. Those are uh, departure city, arrival city, departure time, and arrival time. That's it. So arrival time. So departure city. Arrival time. Right. Now what you're going to do is, these are the four fields we have created. Departure date, okay, the one register button. When you fill the form and click register button, it goes to the, which routes it goes to the flight master route. So you write flight master route. So you write, rename it, just copy this one, flight master methods. There is a store action, flight master controller. There is an action method called store. So this route, we have to create we implement the routes inside the routes folder. There is a file called web.php. Here we already did the passenger route, the same route I just copy, control C to copy and control V to paste over here. Here we have to name it as passengers of flight master. So we get it. So here there's a view inside the resources folder. There's a view folder. There's a, which name is this one, flight master. Just copy it. The same name you have put it here. This a request is going. Okay, when the request click submit button, it goes to flight master controller, the name also you rename it, copy this, paste it over here. Again we have to, this is a path where your flight master controller is resided, your flight master controller reside on the app folder. Inside the app folder there is a folder called, which name is http. Inside the http folder there is a controller folder. Inside the controller folder there is a file which name is passenger controller. Right. Okay, you have to go. There's a path, that particular path you have to mention here. Right. So just copy this, paste it over here. File save all. Right. Okay. You successfully you gave the path. Now let's go to index.blade.php, this page. Now there is a tables. This table also we modify the name, everything. What's the name? Departure city, arrival city, arrival time, departure time, arrival time, one action. So here we have tried the passengers. Here passenger you have tried this one as a flight master. Copy this, paste our flight master. This flight master, your flight master. Your flight master, what are the names? Retrieving the data. You write this to all the things. Okay, so we are retrieving, then the same name you have retrieving here the database. Where's my database? Departure city, arrival city, departure time, arrival time. Flight edit, flight destroyed. Right, we have a two methods. Right, this already I already discussed about this one. Right, so we done the stuff. So let's go to our flight master. Here also the flight master controller, the same thing, the passenger controller. I just get the copy of this, paste over here. I have explained it, don't worry. Right, so here we have to change this one as a, here we have to give the your flight master model path. We have to specify over here. So here the same thing, we have to put it over here. We have to get the model. What's the purpose of you have to declaring the model? The model is the part we are communicate with the database and get the data from the database and pass into the particular, the respective view. So the respective view, which is a flight master view. So here we have to give the path where your model is resided. Your model is resided into the models folder. So model folder, we have to give the path here. What's a file? So you select, go to the inside the models folder. There's a file, flight master. Rename it, pass it to here. Right. So change the name, flight master. So here flight master control, here flight master. Flight master. Here this one as a flight master. Your flight masters. So it is the flight masters over here. This is the name we are going to our view page. Okay, we have to retrieve the data. Okay, so the flight master get called here. Uh, right, flight master index page. Right. So what I did here is, so here when the index page is called, what happen is it goes to the particular model. Here I have created the object flight master. This is our flight master model. Okay, so flight master model, we have to retrieve the data from the database via the flight master. Okay, flight master. So the flight master we have to assign to this object. So this object we have to call each and every action methods like index, store, edit, update. So all the methods. Okay, so here we have to this method too. We have to access it. Okay, so this method we have load all the data from the database and passing to here. So this all the data is loaded. It passing to the pages. Inside the pages, the flight master, there's an index page. It is passing to Roshi. Get the response. The same thing we have did also the same thing here also. Flight master. Here also we have changed flight master. Here also the flight master, flight master, flight master, flight master, flight master, flight master. Here all the things we have to change as the flight master. Okay. I think you have to make it as a flight master. This also flight masters. The flight master, the flight masters, to make as flight masters. Okay, right, the things flight master, the passenger, we have to all the things we have changed as flight master. Right, now let's check it whether it's working fine or not. File, save all. Now let's open up the window. When the request is coming, flight. So how did I did it? How I did it? Let's go to the, let's open up the routes and check it back. So you have to paste here. There's one error, undefined flight master. So what the error means, so if you get any error, don't ask on the command. You first read the error, what's the error of it, then only you can find the solution. So go over here. So the index page, what is in flight master? So what's the error over here? Flight master. The flight master, this one, what happened is you have to get this one flight master here, the case sensitive. Here I have simple, I have written is a case sensitive. Okay, like now likewise here save and open, I have again here it's working successful. Very simple, it's very simple. The algorithm is very simple. If you understand here what's the name you are given, we are retrieving the data from the database and passing to this name to this page, this particular page, this name to it data will be passing to this page. So this name, right? So let's back over here, departure city, which is a, what's the city, departure city we have given as a India, arrival city which is Sri Lanka, departure time 7 a.m. (8 a.m.). Right. Click register button. What's the problem here is we have a departure city. We have to make it as in our database schema. We have create likewise departure city, arrival city, departure time, and right. So here we already put it here capital. So that's the problem. That's a problem. It will be indicated. So write it departure city, arrival city, departure time, arrival time, file save all. Let refresh the one. Right, so here the thing, right. Now let's do the thing is, so you have right departure TC something like that. India, arrival city, Sri Lanka, departure time 8 a.m., arrival time 9 a.m. Click register button. Pass. Okay, the problem is here also the we have to change it as here the pass. Okay. Here flight master ID. It's a flight master ID. Right. Now let's run it. Okay, it's working perfectly. It's adding successfully. I hope you guys you understood things well, right? So I'll see in my next lecturing. Thank you.